Okay, let us solve problem number 30. Slightly difficult. Something related to numbers is slightly difficult. Something related to geometry is relatively easy. Okay, smallest natural number that when divided by 5 gives remainder 2. Suppose the natural number is n. Suppose the natural number is n. So when divided by 5 gives remainder q, that means I can write it as 5 times quotient q1 plus 2 is a natural number, right? So suppose I have a number 17. I can write it as 5 into 3 plus 2. So 5 is my divisor, 3 is my quotient, 2 is my remainder. That makes it 17 dividend. So n is my dividend. Q1 is a quotient, P is divisor, 2 is remainder. Okay. So we don't know. So if 17 was the number, again by after dividing by 5, we get the remainder 2. Correct. But if we divide 17 by 7, so we get remainder 7, 7 plus 3. We get remainder 3, but we have been given that remainder is 4. Therefore, 17 is not the number. So the number when divided by 5 leaves remainder 2. That means we have got this one equation. And Q1 is what? It's a quotient, therefore positive integer. The way 3 is a positive integer, 2 is a positive integer, therefore Q1 is a positive integer. That much we need to understand. And same n when divided by 7, Q2, another quotient you will get, and the remainder will be 4. Now we have got these two equations. We have two equations, and actually these Q1 and Q2 both are unknown to us. Therefore, what we should do is either you express Q1 in terms of Q2. So what will it be? This 2 goes this side, so it will be 7Q2 plus 2 divided by 5. Or you should express Q2 in terms of Q1. Both should be fine. But now I have expressed Q1 in terms of. So what is this now? Q1 is an integer. Therefore, it looks like 3 upon 1, 5 upon 1, 7 upon 1, something like that. We don't want. It will not look like 7 upon 5 fraction. It will not look like fraction. It is an integer. And therefore, we should keep searching values of Q2 such that this becomes integer, and we want the smallest natural number. Therefore, the smallest value of positive integer Q1 should do our job. So we start. Suppose Q2 trials. Q2 is equal to 1. So 7 plus 2, 9 by 5. Fraction not useful. Q2 is equal to 2. 7 into 2, 14 plus 2, 16. Not useful. Q3 is equal to 21 plus 2, 23. Not useful. Q2 is equal to 4. 28 plus 2, 30 divided by 5, 6. So if Q2 is 4, Q1 is 6, right? So if we use Q1 or Q2 in the original equation now, we will get n. Suppose we use Q1, 7 is 30 plus 2, n is equal to 32. If we use Q2, then such a 32. So the answer is this. And therefore the smallest is asked. Because you are supposed to conduct few trials and arrive at final answer. And you should not, why the problem is little tricky, because you will not get the answer quickly. You have to put couple of trials and then you will get it. You can do this orally provided you know how to arrive at this ratio. Okay, so answer for this question is 32.